everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. My name is Cassandra Thompson and I am your 30 something beauty lover here on YouTube. So today it's Ipsy day. I'm splitting up the Ipsy and Sephora play because they're just coming so far apart and I want to get this up so you can see what I got. So my Ipsy this month came in this cute little bag. Everyone got the same bag this month. I think it's cute and sporty. I get it. Like, people are starting those like fitness goals at this time of year. So it's super cute. It's got, what's that called? It's like netting. Netting, very athletic, cute. I will use this one. Also, guys, it was a winner of a bag this month. So if you don't know, Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription service. Let me sit differently in my chair. $10 a month subscription service. If you see this today and you're like, oh my gosh, I want to do it, I have a link in my description, and I think you get like extra points with it or something off, and I think I get points, so it's a win-win. So if you like this, use the link. But it's 10 bucks a month and you get really fun subscribes. I can't talk. But it's 10 bucks a month and you get really good, like, fun things that maybe you wouldn't have tried. And I've done this for over a year now, and I've realized the products that came from companies that I've never heard of, that I'm like, who's this whatever brand? Some of my favorite products. So just know that as we get into this right now. So I'm going to start with one of the best things, but it's a good one overall. I got a full-size NYX lip lingerie, and this is in satin ribbon, a color I didn't have. I did use it in a 30 days, 30 looks that should be coming right about now. So you can see it's just a good nude color. I like it. And I really like the NYX lip lingeries. I have 3 others that came as a set during like the holiday season. And I just really like the way they lay on the skin. Even though I don't love matte lipsticks, I like the way these mattes dry down, and then I can put a gloss over it and make it be whatever, level of sheen I want. Okay, next thing. I thought this was really pretty. This is an eyeshadow from Absolute New York. Never heard of them. And it's in Posse. And it's just a beautiful color, and look at that swatch. This too is used in an upcoming video. You can see once it's on, it stays a little hard to blend, but really nice color. Okay, next thing. So this is something I've never heard of. This is Louis by John C. Jean. It's either Jean or Jean, but I'm guessing since Louis has the thing over the E, this is French and it's Jean. And it's Balance Hydrating and Calming Serum. I have not used this yet, but I was excited to get a serum, and this is a pretty sizable amount. And it can be used morning and night, so I'm interested to try this, and I'll try to follow back up in an upcoming video on how it went. Now, I have a feeling these colors are all wrong for me, but I was still really excited to get it. I got the City Color Contour Palette. This probably costs a whopping $6, but I love the blush one, so it was right there, now it's gone. I love the blush one so much that I got an Ipsy that I was so excited. They are just the softest formulas, like, even if nothing else, this is calming, guys. Just doing this with your finger over it, it is so smooth feeling, it's great. But oh, I messed that up. So these are the 2 tan shades, and then that white is the highlighter shade. The white does actually blend out to a nice color. I think it'll have a lot of flashback. It's the other 2 that, like, come on, that's too orangey. This is too dark for me, but I don't know. I might be willing, it depends on how this blends. Like, could it blend out to a level that it just looks like shadow? I'm not sure. I'll give it a go on a day where I'm like, maybe I'll try it tomorrow. I was gonna say on a day when I'm not heading to work in case it's a disaster. Okay, final thing. And I was like, I literally screamed when I opened this because I was so excited. I saw that people were getting this product. Some people and I was fingers crossed that I would be one of them. And it's the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. I was in Blue Mercury the other day, and they sell Oribe, and the full size of this costs $44. $44. So I figure I have like 12 bucks just on it. So the bag was worth it. I've already made out. So super excited. I have not tried it yet. I am going to try it soon. So I will report back and let you know. But this is the thing I'm like so stoked that I got this. But overall, really good bag for the month. So excited by it. So if you like this video, because that is it, we're good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to share with your friends. Let me know, do you get a subscription box? What did you get in your Ipsy or other subscription box this month that you loved? Leave it in the comments below. I will look at them. I like commenting with you guys, so please leave a comment. And with that, you should be getting suggestions of other videos right now. So please keep watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.